This video explores how installing Rulmeca Motorized Pulleys in a dual drive configuration solved the problem of inadequate installed power while decreasing conveyor belt tension, and why internally powered drives can simplify conversions from single to dual conveyor drive systems. After 40 years of operation, this bucket wheel reclaimer could only deliver iron ore from the terminal storage pile to the ship loader at a rate of 1,500 tons per hour, well below the original design rate. Upgrading the drive system to 3 Rulmeca motorized pulleys enabled the machine to achieve a reclaim rate exceeding 4,000 tons per hour. The terminal operator installed 2 drives in a nested dual arrangement within the discharge conveyor truss and 1 boom conveyor drive beneath the boom structure. The dual drive arrangement not only provided adequate drive power, it also increased the conveyor belt wrap angle. Since the 2 drives provide 420 degrees of belt wrap, the operator could reduce slack side tension and total tension in the belt. Tension reductions like this can extend belt life and enable an operator to use a less expensive belt. 2 variable frequency drives in load sharing mode and digital Ethernet communications optimize the performance of the dual drive. A belt wrap angle of 420 degrees and ceramic embedded rubber lagging eliminated belt slip, even at temperatures significantly below freezing. The compactness and lightweight of Rulmeca motorized pulleys simplified the installation of this nested dual drive arrangement. Keep these features in mind if you ever need to add drive power to an existing conveyor. For more conveyor design and maintenance tips, go to rulmecacorp.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.